So the building is now at a really awesome stage. We've got the exterior cladding all fixed off and it's now ready for exterior plastering. We've got the aluminium windows and doors in, and the boys have been busy inside, so let's go inside and take a look. Yeah, so this is really exciting. This is one of my favourite stages. This is where you see everything start to come together. Tom and Matt, they've run all of their electrical cables throughout. We've got Calvin in the background doing the plumbing. Next week we've got insulation going in, ready for jibbing.
A massive headache we didn't see coming was the firewall, a requirement for any commercial building close to a property boundary. The required changes in the design ended up pushing out our costs and the build time. Once the boys understood what was involved, Toby and Jamie got it all sorted.
So down the back, the new office is making great progress, but here at the front of the building, we've decided to give it a bit of a facelift. So the purpose of putting in these brand new windows is just to give us a nice street appeal and really improve the facade and the look of the building from the road. So a nice bit of teamwork from everybody this morning. Already it just looks so much better.
For consistency, it was important to match the exterior of the new office with the existing building. With rain coming, it was all hands on deck to get it done whilst the weather was fine. Now we're on to the interior plastering with Nathan and Sam for FH Interiors.
The exterior of the building is now complete, minus a little bit of painting around the soffits. Toby and Jamie have marked and started digging out for the deck. We've got a long deck running along here. This will be interconnected behind us. Inside, there's been a lot of change and the boys are now onto the painting, so we'll go inside and have a look. So behind me, we've got Jake and Braden from Ace Painting and Decorating. They've already done the primer and the undercoat. They're now prepping for the top coat and should have it all smashed out next week.
With the deck barely started and Christmas only a couple of weeks away, we need to get everything completed before the trades shut down for their well-earned break.